Hi everyone, Fritz here, and in today's video we're going to go over how you can repair a dent that actually has some paint removed. But quickly, I want to know, has this scenario ever happened to you?
Oh my gosh.
Was that my car?
I'm so sorry, there are no other parking spots.
What? Oh my gosh, I have to repaint that!
It's not that bad. Look, I gotta go. I'm sorry. Here's my business card. I'm a local realtor in town. If you need anything, I'll hook you up. Sorry.
All kidding aside, Jessica really is one of my friends. She didn't dent my door, but she is a realtor in the area. So for any real estate needs or questions, inquiries, go ahead and hit her up. I'll leave her contact down below. But for this repair, what do we need? We just need three simple things. The first thing that we need is a glue gun. We're gonna use our dent removal kit, and then the last thing that we need is our paint repair kit. And the thing that I like about this repair kit is that it actually matches the paint exactly to the color code of your car. So if you have a 2 Series like mine, I'm gonna list a chart with all the paint codes for all the 2 Series down below. And when you get the kit, make sure to look at the paint cap because it's gonna give you the code right there. So the bottle will have the code for your paint on the top. Make sure it matches before you do any of the repairs. Now, if you need any supplies in this video, go ahead and use the links down below. It really helps with the channel. And for that, I just wanna say thanks. For this dent removal kit, what I really love about it is that it includes specific glue sticks that are meant for paint. So the first thing that we need to do is put in the glue stick and let the hot glue gun heat up. As it's doing that, let's prepare the dent by using some alcohol. In your dent removal kit, you're gonna have some glue applicators like this one. You're gonna wanna size it up to about the same size as your dent. So the smallest one that we have in our kit is actually perfect for this application. With the glue ready to go, just apply it onto the applicator pad. And here you can be pretty generous with the glue. Quickly apply it to the dent and allow it to sit for about 3 minutes. Now, once the glue is dried, we're gonna use our dent removal tool. Slide it in, adjust the feet, and then at the top, you can adjust the height of the plunger to fit your needs. Once it's taut, you could let go and it will stay in place. That is good enough. Go ahead and apply a little bit of pressure. Now comes the part that's really repetitive. Applying the glue again to the applicator, back onto the dent. Press it in real firm and do this until you're happy with how small the dent gets. When you're using the dent puller, pull it a few times. Don't pull it all in one go, and then it'll pull itself out. That should allow the dent to come off, but let's make sure. Now it does still look pretty bad, but that's mostly because we still have some missing paint. Go ahead and take your paint filler and shake it up real good. Look to the bottom of the bottle and make sure that all the metallic flakes are all gone. You don't want the paint to be metallic on the bottom and blue at the top. That means it's not shaken up enough yet. Like that, you can see that it's pretty evenly blue throughout the bottle. That's exactly what we want. For a dent this size, we're actually just going to use the paintbrush, dip in the paint a little bit, and apply where the dent is. For this type of paint repair, go a little bit more than the dent because we're gonna remove the excess paint with the second bottle in your kit. And let that sit and cure for a few minutes. And if you need to, just reapply some of the paint. Now this is what about 3 coats of our paint repair looks like, but we still have to do one more go around with the shellac and then we can look at our final product. Take your white cloth from the paint kit as well as the shellac, shake it up, open it up, and pour a few drops in. Just take that and very gently rub over the area that we painted. it's going to remove the paint that is in excess. And you don't want to go too hard because it will remove the paint that is actually inside the dent. So we just want to remove the paint that is on the outside part of the dent. And don't worry about this removing any of your paint. This Seal Act is made specifically to work with the paint in your kit to only remove it, not the paint on your car. So it's perfectly safe to use. You can see some blue there. That's the excess paint that we just removed. Now go ahead and just buff it out with a microfiber cloth. So if you're on a budget and you're looking to do it yourself, go ahead and pick up this kit. It's less than $100. And yes, we only did one dent today, but this kit can serve for a whole lot of dents that you're gonna get in the future, as well as paint chips on the hood. It looks so much better than when we first started. The paint's filled in, the surrounding area has been pulled out, and even when you look at it from an angle that you would typically come at it from, when you're on the passenger side of your own car, you can't even see it. And I gotta say, I'm very, very happy with the final product here. I definitely recommend this setup to pull dents in the future, as well as filling up paint chips that come across your way. For this application, it's not perfect. I'm not a professional. I didn't go on the inside and roll it, but you let me know. The dent is actually right here on top of my finger. Can you see it in this light? For this application, and me personally, I think it's okay. The fact that we had a paint that matched exactly what we had, that's what really made the big difference here. And in certain shadows, you're not even gonna notice this at all. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Is this good enough for you? And if it is, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.